What's good, everybody? Welcome to today's video. Feels like forever since I've done one of these, but today we're going to be going over a trade breakdown from, well, today's trade. So yeah, let's jump right into the charts. Today was NFP data release, so on the first Friday of every month we have last month's non-farm payroll come out. And when I've been backtesting, I've noticed a lot that the market will either, when New York opens at 2:30, we'll either see the news data highs or the lows being swept. Depending on which one is swept, we'll come for the side that hasn't been swept. So that's how I really determine my bias on NFP days. So let's get into the breakdown. So what we had coming into market open, this orange line, this here is our NFP data high, and this line here is our NFP data low. What we saw at market open was the market push up. We swept out the NFP data high, and we also swept out. Well, let me go into a higher time frame, a bit easier to see. We also swept out this high here on NQ, which is Friday the 31st of January at 4 o'clock. Now, if we go look at the S&P 500, same time, same date, Friday the 31st of January, 4 o'clock. ES never pushed up to take out that high. So we have a high time frame SMT coming into the day. So that's another confluence for our trade. We have a high time frame SMT. We've swept out news data highs and even more liquidity on NQ, but we're still seeing bearish pressure on ES. So we've swept out the highs. We've got a high time frame SMT. We're expecting price to reverse. What we see on the 1 minute is price just kind of consolidated for a while, generating liquidity. But in doing so, we also saw a low time frame SMT. So we saw lower lows on NQ, but ES was making higher highs. Where are we? So we've got a high, lower high, lower high, lower high. Look at ES. We were making higher highs, creating another bearish SMT in the lower time frame. So that is two SMTs that are bearish. After that happens, after the SMTs form, the SMT forms, we see price break this low, and in doing so, it flips this bullish fair value gap into an inverse fair value gap, disrespecting bullish order flow whilst breaking structure. We immediately enter on the inverse of that gap, targeting New York session open lows and NFP data lows here. That's it for today's trade breakdown. I'll try post a few more of these because they are obviously very helpful. But every trade I take is posted in the Discord in a breakdown as well. So if I don't post a video, there'll definitely be a breakdown in the trading Discord, which you can see all the breakdowns completely for free. You don't have to be a premium member to see any of the breakdowns. All of that stuff there is given out for free. Catch you in the next video. Peace, boys.